time to get organized was 10 years ago, and the second best time is now, right? And this is something that's very hard for people to accept because we all like to avoid, delay, and procrastinate. We all do that. At no point in the future will you be younger, healthier, more energetic, or more motivated than you are right now. Okay? And living in an organized space brings peace to your soul, and it reduces maladaptive behaviors such as overeating, overshopping, and worrying. Right? I really have seen organized living have this effect on my clients, and that's why I'm so enthusiastic about it. So just some intentions that you can write down here, and the little exercises. If your spaces were decluttered and organized, how would you feel? Right? What's a word for how you would feel if your space? Peaceful. Okay. That sounds like a great name for a company. Peaceful place. Okay, there we go. How would you feel? Some people say relaxed. Some people say de-stressed, right? Intention. So I will take action now, and done is better than perfect. We don't want to get stuck in perfection paralysis where unless we can do it perfectly, we're not going to start at all, right? And I really believe in brightening the task, right? So this is hard work. Decision making is hard work. This is hard work, guys. I'm telling you, you guys are so much better than most people who don't even have the guts to even come here or to even try. They don't. They're just going to leave it all for their kids to deal with. Okay? So the ways to brighten tasks are playing music, which I very much believe in. You can reward yourself with a latte, getting a mani-pedi, buying a book that you wanted to buy. And another great way is to get a clutter buddy. But here is a warning about clutter buddies, all right? The person that you should ask to be your clutter buddy should be someone whose home that you admire and whose home is way less cluttered than yours. If you pick somebody who's as cluttered as you, they're going to say, oh, no, don't give that away. I'll take that. Oh, no, you know what? There's a kindergarten that could really use that broken crayon. Let's put that aside for them. You know, it's like playing tennis with somebody who's a lot worse than you. It's not going to be good. It's got to be somebody who's going to sort of say, get real. Come on, are you really going to use that? Right? In a gentle way, right? So clutter buddies are very helpful. And what I put here is something that you can work on like a small project. You can say, I commit to decluttering and organizing this area of my house. A bathroom closet, that's a good way to start. A coat closet, a kitchen junk drawer, although some of those can be pretty, whoa, those can be bad. And a purse, right? Or a wallet, or a car. I'm going to do it on this day and time, and here's when I'm going to do it. So this is writing down intentions, which unless we do that, it's, the action isn't going to happen. So I wanted to just take a quick minute before we go to Q&A and just tell you some of the things that my company can do for people. So we do decluttering.